guide and see all their legal rights on that.
Meghalaya BJP President Rickmanji Momin announced the party's participation in the upcoming Gambegre by-elections. Speaking in Shillong, Momin confirmed informing the central leadership in Delhi and mentioned that no candidate has been finalized. He suggested that the state vice president Bernard N. Marak could potentially contest, and further he underscored the development as core focus for the Gambegre by-elections.
No candidate we haven't set up anyone.
No, we heard that Bernard is going to be the candidate.
Yes, I have already informed the central leaders and they have agreed, our leaders, but now since there is some changes, so again I have to request them again, but 100% we are going to contest. He may be one of the experienced. He is also working hard for the party and naturally he should also get the ticket also. Election for MLA and local MDC, we are going to fight alone.